Introducing the 2026 Ford Explorer Premium 77 kWh extended range in a sleek white exterior colour. This electric vehicle boasts a host of incredible features, including ambient lighting, Bluetooth phone connectivity, satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and much more. With a spacious MPV body style and top-notch safety features, this car is perfect for families on the go. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this advanced and reliable vehicle. For more information, call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today.